Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss this question. Employees at a certain company earn the basic hourly wage of rupees 500. So the hourly wage is 500. In addition to this, they also receive a commission, okay, on the sales they generate while tending the counter. The commission given to them is calculated according to the following table. Okay. So we need to notice the important points here. There is this hourly wage, and so according to the hours they work, suppose they work, if an employee is working for 10 hours, then the basic wage will become 500 into 10, that will be 5,000. This is the basic wage, and in addition to the basic wage they also receive a commission, and the commission is based on this table. Okay, so if they are doing sale of sale of some amount between rupees 100 and 1000, the commission rate will be 1%. Between this amount it will be 2%, between this amount it will be 3%, and between this amount it will be 3.5%. So whatever that is, that will be added to this this 5,000, and that will become the total wage. Okay. So here we need to take input the number of hours worked and the total sales. So let's see how to do this. Let's see the coding. So first I have declared a variable basic hourly wage, which is 500 initially. Okay, and then this one CA will store the commission amount. Okay, CA will store the commission amount, then TS is representing the total sales, NOH is representing number of hours worked, and total wage is total wage. Here next line we are creating a scanner object so that we can take the input. So here I am displaying number of hours worked, enter number of hours worked. So whatever is entered, that will be captured by this function and stored in NOH, number of hours. Then next line we are taking input for total sales and storing it in TS. Now okay, so here the first condition is this, if the amount is between 100 and 1000, so that is why I have written the condition here. If TS is greater or equal to 100, we should have equal to here. Okay, equal to 100. So greater or equal to 100 and less than 1000. So we need less than 1000 here. Okay, so if this is the case, the commission amount will be how much? 1%. 1% means 0.01. 0.01 of what? Of the total sales that is stored in TS. So 0.01 into TS total sales will give me the commission amount. Okay, similarly the next condition is between 1000 and 10,000. Okay, so if the total sales is greater or equal to 10,000 and less than equal to, let's make this less than 10,000. Okay, if it is less than 10,000 but greater or equal to 1000, the amount will be 2% into total sales. Okay, so 0.02 is 2% into total sales. So this will give you the commission amount if the total sales is greater or equal to 1000 and less than 10,000. Similarly, if the total sales is greater or equal to 1000 but less than 25,000, the commission amount will be 3% of total sales. Okay, and so 0.03 into TS, assign the value into CA. And finally, if it is above 25,000, okay, equal to or greater than 25,000, then it will be 3.5%, which is 0.035 of total sales, and then assign the value into CA. Okay, now we need to calculate this. This conditional construct has calculated the commission amount. Now we need to calculate the total wage. So total wage will be the basic hourly wage, that is 500. Remember, we have assigned 500 here. Okay, so 500 into number of hours worked. So here we took the input. For number of hours worked, it was stored in NOH. So that NOH I am multiplying with BHW, that will give me the total, the basic wage. Okay, and then I will add the commission amount into it. Okay, so I will store that value into total wage, and then finally I will display the total number of hours worked, which is stored in NOH, the hourly wage that is stored in BHW, the basic wage is basic hourly wage into number of hours worked. Then I will display the commission amount, which is stored in CA, and then I will display the total wage, which is stored in total wage. So let us see the output for this. Okay, so let us enter the number of hours worked, let us say 9, then enter total sales. So total sales, let us say 25,000. Okay, so here you can see total number of hours worked is 9, hourly wage is 500. So basic wage becomes 9 into 500, that is 4,500, and so the commission amount becomes, so for 25,000, that will fall within the last one. Okay, so 3.5%. So 3.5% of the total sales, that will give you the commission amount, and finally the total wage is 5375. Okay, so I hope you have understood this program. Thank you.